Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching all of you guys watching this video how to do a backflip. And I showed you guys my backflip right at the beginning, but I mean, it might not be the best backflip that you've ever seen, but this video will teach you how to do something like that, and then over time you can improve it. If this video does go on to help you guys out, make sure to drop a like and share the video with your friends if they want to learn how to backflip as well. But yeah, so we're going to be using the cameraman Connor as a test subject today because you guys can watch 2 videos back. That was his first backflip ever, and he looked like he was like a horse galloping. So I mean, if this works on him, it should work on you guys. So yeah, we're gonna take to the trampoline first because this is a full tutorial. It's not how to do this in 5 minutes. I mean, the real person cannot learn how to backflip in 5 minutes. So we're gonna take you to the trampoline first, and then I'll teach you guys how to do it from there on. All right, so this is his first backflip in a while. Forwards, backwards, up.
I didn't go up.
That was better. Okay, so his backflips on trampoline are not that bad. He's obviously already gotten over the fear of doing it, which is the hardest part of doing a backflip. I'm telling you guys.
You really just gotta send it.
So yeah, I'm gonna teach you guys a couple things that you can do to learn how to like get over the fear of getting backwards. Then from there on, we'll get to the technical stuff and more stuff like that. But I'll show you guys, here's a couple ways that you guys can get over the fear of going backwards. Okay guys, so the best way to get over the fear of going over your back is to get low at first. So like when you're up here and you're trying to do a backflip, you're like, oh, what if I land on my head? So start, and oh, it's dumb, but start somewhere down here, because then you're a lot closer to the ground. And whenever you go, hold on, I'll get a better one. But if you land on your head, it really, I mean, you really don't even feel it. So get low and practice just going like backwards. Just start doing stuff like this. It looks dumb. I know it looks really dumb, but just like once you keep doing stuff like this, you'll get over the fear of like going backwards. But then once you do that, just start getting a little higher. So stand like legs bent, go. And eventually you'll get to where you can stand up. And it doesn't look good, but you can stand up and you can, oh, I didn't mean to land that. You can go like this. You can go over your head. There's not really a way to teach you guys how to get over the fear of doing your flip. It's mainly just up to you. Okay, so it's really all about your mental state. Like if you're not ready to do a backflip, you're not gonna do the backflip. So come out whenever you guys are having like an adrenaline rush or something, and that's when you guys want to do it, because after you do it the first time, it's so much easier from every time then on out. But yeah, so now that you guys have tips on how to get over the fear, let's get into some more technical stuff on how to land it and how to get higher and stuff like that. All right guys, so the first thing you guys want to figure out is if you're trying to eventually learn a backflip on ground, or if you're trying to just keep it on the trampoline. Sorry about the dye mowing, I cannot help this. So if you're trying to just learn it on trampoline and keep it on trampoline, you're not trying to progress to ground or anything like that, I get that. But this video is not for you, okay? So if you're trying to do that, then watch a video how to do a backflip on a trampoline. Because then you learn it bouncing, and that's a whole lot different than learning the technique to do it on ground. It's a whole different, you're bouncing like this, and it's a whole different, like, you don't get that high on ground, obviously. So whichever foot feels more comfortable, you put your arms to your side, step forwards with that foot, put your arms out forwards. Step back, arms are behind you like this, step forwards with the one foot. If you're more comfortable with your left foot, do it with your left foot. I personally enjoy it with my right foot. You go forwards with your arms, you go back with your arms, and then that's when you shoot up, throw your hands up as hard as you can, and you do not want to throw your head back. You don't want to go like this. So yeah, the first thing you guys just need to practice is getting a super high jump, doing this. Make it smooth. You don't want to go like this. You don't want to go like. Okay, so once you guys get good at like the whole start, it's like this part, once it's super smooth, and you want to know what to do when you're in the air of doing a backflip. In the air, you're like here. Your arms are up all the way. You don't want to pull your arms down to grab your legs. You want to keep your arms up and bring your legs up to your chest. It doesn't look like this. It looks like this. You go forwards, backwards, straight up, arms into your chest. Because you see, I wasn't even trying to go backwards, but like automatically I already just started going towards my back, and I wasn't even going for it. So once you're up, you got your legs tucked in. Hopefully, if you guys are like comfortable enough, your head is as far down as it can be, so you're as tight of a ball as possible to make you get the fastest rotation. Once you're to the point where you can first see the ground, keep your head still and like let your legs come around. You don't want to keep your head in the entire time and land like this. So So once you should like, I'll just put a slow-mo of what I'm doing. You guys can see my head. Once I spot the ground, my head stays still, my legs finish the rotation. It really just comes with a lot of practice. It took me a long time to learn how to backflip on trampoline. And then from there, it probably took a year or two for me to learn how to backflip on ground. That's what this video is for you guys, to try to speed that process up. But it still should take a whole lot of practice unless you're just like superhuman. But if you're superhuman, then good for you. Round of applause for me. But all those how to backflip in 5-minute videos, I mean, sure, it might work for like 5% or less of the people watching the video, but something like this, something like skill like this takes a long time to learn, a long time to progress, a long time to master how to do a backflip. So just give it time. Don't get stressed out if you can't do it right away. But yeah, we're gonna move it onto ground to get the more specific stuff to make sure you guys don't get hurt while you're doing your backflip. All right, guys. So after you do learn on the trampoline, you're comfortable on the trampoline. It's a whole nother step to get over the fear of doing it onto the ground.
So much
obviously, it's much harder than the ground, or much harder than the trampoline. So there's a couple ways that you guys can get over that fear. Number one is with padding. You can get on Amazon these foam mats, like 2 feet by 6 feet, and they're like 6 inches thick. But the best way to learn how to do a backflip is to have your friend that can already backflip, if you have like a friend that can already do flips, let him spot you. There's a bunch of things that I can tell you, like, to help you get over the fear. It's like, for me at least, and for all my friends, it's all in your brain. It's all up to you. So you just gotta get, I mean, you can't do the thing where you get low and just like kill yourself going over. That's different on trampolines, that's soft. So yeah, just get a spot, get some pads, do it off of something, and get over the fear. And yeah, I mean, this is gonna be more of like the technical stuff. I'm gonna show you how to spot somebody, or show your friend how to spot you to help you do it. But yeah, I mean, once you have it down on trampoline, it's pretty easy once you get over the fear to do it on ground, if you've got the jump power. I'm gonna spot Connor and show him what it looks like. Show you guys what it looks like, show him what it looks like to do a backflip. Alright, so how your friends don't want to spot you, or the best way that I've found to spot somebody for a backflip is pull their shirt tight on their back, so they're up like a tail. Okay, so try to fall forwards, like just fall forwards. If he's trying to fall forwards, about to land on his face after the backflip, I can hold him enough to the point where he can stand up. And after you jump, your friend is gonna want to grab right here and flip you over. For the first couple times,
It's gonna feel weird.
it's gonna feel so weird because you're gonna be like doing nothing. You're like, I'm flipping for him. Like, that's just to help him get over the fear of going over your back. Then I'll do less and less and less and tell him what to do to change. And yeah, so you guys will just basically see my progression of teaching him, and then take this and take it into your own like situation. So you're gonna want to do the same thing you did on trampoline. Forward step, step back, arms up in the air.
Oh, I stepped on the glasses. Very easy, because he did everything.
No, we've already had one day. I've spotted him like twice before. He's learning fast, so you might not learn this fast, but just take what I'm teaching you and really
It's really just getting over the fear. I don't care if I break something.
yeah, so this kid doesn't have any fears for some reason, so getting over the fear wasn't a problem for him. That's the hardest thing about doing a backflip. Because like, even once you start doing it, you still could be afraid to land on your head, and that will like stop you from doing it correctly. This time, jump, like, okay, take all of your jump out. The jump, okay, just do this, and jump as high as you can. That's way high enough. Step, jump as high as you can. I did a lot less there. So you can see he didn't land straight up and down like this. But also, when you're being spotted, you usually don't give it your 100. So you're not taking this part to your advantage. You're just doing it just to do it.
Yeah, I kind of was.
Yeah. So what you want to do is go forward.
How do you?
Whenever your arms go down, it like pushes your body down.
Is that what's giving you your backwards motion?
That's what gives you your power up.
Okay.
And that's what I mean. Really kind of take a step into it, like a hop into it. So you go forwards. I go back like this, and I like jump, then push off. It's like boom. You're untucking too early.
Yeah.
Keep your tuck in until you see the ground. So now I'm gonna spot him differently. Now that I can tell he's not afraid of doing this. I'm not gonna grab his shirt anymore. Put my hand on his back flat, and just push him up whenever he's gonna like lean back onto my hand, push him up. But then the same thing with the legs. All right. This allows you to have more like room to jump and all that stuff.
Oh,
I'm honestly not doing too much.
I kind of want to try my own.
Let me just do your back. No
Okay.
legs.
Okay.
Just grab your legs.
Just try and grab my legs like this, or
No. Let arms stay up. Legs come in. And you
Okay. Legs come in. Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
That was a lot better. I mean, that was only my right arm.
Hold on.
You gotta focus on taking that back foot off the ground, because then whenever you come back, they give you so much power. Like that. Like that. I don't think you're jumping as high as you can. You're getting to here. I think you can get to here.
Okay.
That was better.
I like Iron Man, okay.
Go. Untucking too early, you would have had it.
Yeah.
I did nothing there.
You did nothing.
I mean, I had a little bit of pressure.
I felt your back. I felt your hand.
My hand was there, but I didn't do much.
Okay.
Untuck or tuck longer. Untuck too early.
Yeah. That was pretty tough though, right?
That was a good tuck. Just tuck longer. And give it more power.
It's a lot more aspects. I'm thinking about the aspects as I go. Like, I got the jump down probably.
He's got the jump down. Now he's got to focus on the tuck. How long to tuck for? It's a process.
Do this with somebody or a foam mat, definitely.
I mean, I just went like that.
Like that.
Tuck hard. All right, just jump higher, tuck harder, and you'll land it. You'll land it. You'll land it. Stop. You're trying to land like this. Your hands are coming out like this.
Okay, I'll just
Commit to landing on your feet.
commit to landing on the feet. All right.
Come further this way. I think he needs a break for a second. You're gonna give him a quick cut, you know what I'm saying? I think it's just more about practicing it.
Practice.
Here, I'm done.
You're done.
No, yeah, you got it. You just gotta get to the point where you're jumping high enough to land it.
Okay.
You're untucked early. You're gonna land low. You're gonna land like this.
Okay.
Untucked late.
Okay. Oh, I was bad.
Because your also doesn't help hitting your arm. Here, we're gonna move to slanted ground.
Slant.
Yeah, so he's not doing off of something, he's just gonna do it on a slant. You're going, look, all right, when you're like this, till you're like this, you're up in the air. Look at something straight ahead of you.
Okay.
Look at that one thing straight ahead of you until you cannot see it anymore.
Until I cannot see it anymore.
So
And
you
then
look,
I
look
go,
at that bird feeder until you cannot see it. Then you look at the ground. Your head goes from looking at that to looking at the ground. It goes like boom, 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 boom. So then you have the fastest rotation possible.
Okay.
Just look at that. Look at like the bird feeder.
I'm
The
gonna
corner.
look.
Yeah.
Straight ahead of me at that slightly
Yeah.
gleaming pole.
Uh-huh.
Oh!
You did good with your head, but you like you hesitated. So. See? You see that?
Yeah. I was closer.
You can still jump higher.
What?
When you jumped over there and just jumping up in the air, you jumped a lot higher than you're jumping right now. Untucked early. All right, you're tired. Arms up higher. Whenever you go up, arms up. Reach.
Go up, up.
Reach up.
Reach up. Reach up for the stars. Ah.
What? Yeah, you see that? You reach like that, you tuck like that, you're gonna land it. Let's go! Let's go!
Let's go!
Give me some! Let's
Give
go,
me
baby!
some!
Let's go, baby! You see, you reach up,
I
and he
reach up.
reached for the stars, and he made it.
No.
He landed that one good too. You landed like he was like this. He wasn't even down here like this, like I thought he was gonna be.
Let's go!
Yo, hit one flat. Hit one flat. Let's go! Yes, sir! He landed it. He landed on ground.
Landed it.
He
And
landed.
guys, I used only the tips from the video.
Yeah, like, you know, everything that is in this video that's all I told him. I didn't tell him anything off camera. And
I swear, I've never ever done another flip besides the 1-2 videos where I slap my head.
Interview. What was different from when you started off today So in that one you just landed.
I just really realized it's all about the first jump, like the first motion, and then getting that first jump. If you get it way up and just tuck in, you'll rotate with it and it's good. Because the first jump, if you have it right, it'll bring you backwards.
Okay, and what about the fear thing? Because you were really good at getting over the fear of it. So what was that about?
It was just really having somebody to spot you, and just, I guess, I really just don't care.
Yeah, I mean, that's part of it, guys. Like,
and I had a lot of adrenaline today because school is basically over. I'm just like, I'm so happy. Like,
yeah.
I'm so happy. I really don't care what happens.
It's basically about your mindset. Like, I mean, we say something sometimes when we're about to do something that's like kind of crazy. We're like, "Mama didn't raise a bitch," and I mean that. Just saying something like that in your head, like to yourself.
Or you listen to
Break
shit.
You listen to break shit, yo.
Break shit.
Yeah. Fuck you, bitch, and it's like that shit ain't it.
It gets you so hyped. Just getting yourself hyped up for it, and like just having a friend there with you is much better, actually.
All right, so hopefully using the tips in this video and all the things that I said throughout it, as well as watching him progress and learning how to do it, hopefully you guys learned how to do a backflip within, like, pausing this video. Maybe it's been a month since you first watched this video. Maybe it's a month later now. But yeah, so if you guys did learn how to backflip, make sure to drop a like in the comments, head it. Make sure to drop a like and drop a comment down below. If you actually do get one, drop a comment saying, check my recent video. Just upload a video to your channel of you doing a backflip. If I get enough of them, I'll make a compilation. And I'll, if you guys need help, tips, if you guys need more tips, you have like a certain problem that you can't get over, drop that in the comments down below. I'll make sure to help out with everyone that I see. But yeah, I mean, that's basically it for this video. It was a long one because I actually taught somebody how to flip in the video instead of just explaining the steps. So yeah, we got one person that learned how to do a backflip since this video started. So hopefully there's gonna be a bunch more soon. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Might be a tutorial, might be a funny video, might be something crazy. But yeah, I'll see what it is. See you guys all later. Peace out.